Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with another Excel workflow. And in this workflow, we are going to calculate some dates based on some criterias and conditional formatting. So this is the manual input cell column, which is the randomized date column. And if you will enter any of the date in here, it will calculate a date after 4 weeks with the plus minus 14 days difference. So after 4 weeks, obviously there are 4 weeks in a month. So this will become almost April 8. And before 14 days back from 14, the April 8, the date is March 22, and the next 14 days are March 19. Oh, sorry, April 19. All right. So this is you can see currently completely working fine. So this column is showing the date after 4 weeks plus minus 14 days. This one is showing. Uh, Let me stretch those. Okay, this one is showing 8 weeks from the column D, which is 8 March and plus minus 14 days. So this is the date range you can see. Now, if I will make any changes in the date, let me show you. So for example, if I'm going to enter any new dates, you will see if I'll enter any of the dates are generating automatically. Let me stretch these random dates bottom, and you can see all of these dates are getting calculated. Now, if you have this text in any of these other cells, so you can see if I'll just copy the text and paste it as special values. So I'm not pasting the format, I'm just pasting the values. So these are basically selections which we can always enter our drop down so that we are getting exactly the same wording. So if this patient will marked as treatment pause, this will automatically turn yellow. And I have added the light red so that it won't be hurting your eyes, and also the white font so that you can clearly read this one as well. I'm ready to share this with you, and I'm ready to instruct you so that you can transfer all of these functionality and working and the conditional formatting into your master file. So looking forward for your response. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.